Hey, what's up guys, it's good to be back. Today I'm going to be doing an update of my 2020 Hyundai Elantra Sport. So it has about 1,000 miles now, a little bit over 1,000. And what I did to the vehicle was the first mod was using plastic dip to blacken out all the badges and emblems in the back of the vehicle. So I've darkened out the Elantra, the Hyundai logo, as well as the Sport logo, or the badges. It's a pretty simple process. You individually just spray paint each one and then peel it off. As you can see, the car looks very clean. I do like how it looks with the blacked out badges. It gives it like a little extra, I don't know, a nice look. So as you can see, clean. I just got a car wash. I ended up buying a dash cam. It's a 2-channel dash cam. One goes in the front and one is in the back. You never know when you need it. I've been in accidents before, and this can come in handy with insurance and claims and stuff like that. It's good to just show your proof. So as you can see, I have a Thinkware U1000. It's a 4K camera. I also have this Echo Master OBD2 hardwire kit that goes up to this camera right here, and it connects it. As you can see, I wired the back camera through the siding as well as the front camera through the siding, and it just all goes into the lightning cigarette lighter to power it. But with this OBD2 port, it will just connect to the OBD2 car and get powered directly from the car itself, and then 2 minutes into parking mode it will start recording. As you can see, it's just the harness, comes with a bunch of wires, and it comes with a module and zip ties. So it's very convenient. It cost about $20 and it came in 2 days. So firstly, you have to pop off the OBD2 port space. You have to pop out the OBD2 port itself. It's just snapped in by these 2 pins, and you just kind of just pop it in place with these tools. So I ended up getting this tool maybe a few years ago from my older 2007 Hyundai Elantra, and I just kept it in my trunk ever since. So with this harness, it comes with 2 sets of OBD2. So one is a female, one is a male adapter. So you're gonna plug in the male to the female, and then it'll give you an extra female just to put into your OBD2 port to use for diagnostic or whatever else you need to use it for. It's a pretty simple procedure. I'm gonna fast forward the next few minutes so you can see me doing the process. In total, it took me probably less than 5 minutes to do. It's just a big hassle of wiring the cables through the siding, through the door siding. So thankfully I had these tools to help me pry open the siding as well as just like stuff it in there and pack it up. It's kind of hard to do with like big fingers, and it's a little cable, so take your time. Don't damage the cable. It does fit in there, don't you worry. It'll take time. If you have little fingers or smaller hands, it might be easier for you to do, but if you're a guy with big fingers, I suggest getting one of these tools just to pry it in and to force it in place. Like I said, the process takes no more than 5 minutes. It's pretty simple to do, but once you have it set up, you never have to touch it again because it'll just be there working in the background. So I had the car about for 2 months now. I have about 1,400 miles. I took a trip to New York City. I ended up putting the car econ mode the whole way, economic mode, and I ended up being able to get from upstate New York to New York City. It was about a 380-mile drive, and it wasn't a problem with me. I ended up being able to get to New York City with a full tank. Probably got home with about 30 miles in my tank, but that was good enough for me. Gas prices as low as they are today, it's amazing to be able to get that done in a full tank. So guys, I know some people in my previous video in the comments were talking about that they ended up buying a 2020 Hyundai Elantra Sport after watching my video. It's a great car. It's a great price. I've had the 2007 Hyundai Elantra for about 5 years, and it was a great car. It never really broke down on me. I had to get minimal maintenance done on it, and it was a great car. I ended up selling it to my friend who uses it to this day. He's had it for about a year now, and he loves it as well. It's a great car. Great reliable brand. Parts are cheap. It's most of the stuff you can find on YouTube to repair your car yourself, or like change brake pads, change tires, change rotors, change air filter, like all the basic stuff you need to do. You can find all the videos online. It's pretty simple. Do it yourself, save a bunch of money, save hundreds of dollars actually. So guys, I hope you like this video. It's me just giving you an update of what I've done so far with the car. I want to do more things. I'm gonna make more videos about it. I'm probably gonna do a test drive point of view video. I'm recording my girlfriend driving it because she doesn't have a license yet, and I kind of want to teach her how to drive. So you guys are going to see a lot more on my channel regarding this car. At the end of the video, I'm also going to put myself driving the vehicle, so you're gonna see footage from the Thinkware U1000 to see how good it is. You're gonna see me driving through New York City. You're gonna see me parking my car, and so you can see the parking mode. It goes off based on it detecting some type of impact or some big motion. So as you can see in my video, you're gonna end up seeing a car parked up in front of me. So that was enough to trigger my camera to start recording. As you can see, the camera quality is great. You can see the license plate, you can see everything. The only problem was that it was a little dirty that day. It was a little dusty, so my car glass was a little dirty, so you can see it's kind of like fuzzy. So just remember, with these cameras, you got to keep your window clean. You know, keep some Windex or Rain-X water repellent, glass cleaner in your trunk, and just clean your car occasionally. And there's something to keep in mind if you're gonna have dash cams, to make sure that it's clean, because it's recording through the windshield, so it needs to be clean so I can get a good footage. Like I said, guys, thanks for watching the video. Look forward to seeing more videos in the future, and I'm gonna be doing more DIY projects of just me adding little mods and checking out my car. Peace out.